So we have 3 more days for the early bird pricing, which is for the foundation class to setting up a thriving business. So if you or anybody you know is looking to start or reorganize and thrive your business for 2023, and you need a little work on the organizing and the books and kind of like the back end and how your business is set up to scale and just be easier to use on automation and import, export, whatever it is that your business does, I have a step-by-step process of how to set your books, how to get organized, how to even start a business, the steps through it, and then I have tutorials, and it's literally step-by-step pictures and videos that you can do at your own pace. You have a lifetime membership, so you can get it now while you have the early bird pricing, and then you can do it whenever you have time. So don't feel like you have to do it right now or you're gonna lose the opportunity. But the early bird pricing changes in 3 days to regular pricing. So feel free to grab that discounted price while you can. You are also going to receive a step-by-step process on how to build your database and then create automated systems that is going to nurture your leads, your clients, and help grow your business. It's going to be making more of an impact rather than just transactional. Depending on where you want to take your business, I always recommend getting a strong foundation, nurturing the people that have taken care of you, and then expanding from there. So jump on to livegrowearn.com. There's going to be a programs page, and there's 2 drop downs. If you really want to start clearing your mindset, start with the 12-week year and really get intentional on what you want in your life. But you can also jump to the foundation to a thriving business, and all of that is included. So you're going to set up your business the right way. You're going to create books that your accountant is going to love you. You're going to recorrect your mindset to be working for you. That's going to generate and attract more business. And then we're going to take action and nurture your leads and grow your business. So jump on it today for the discounted early bird pricing.